Hello guys, what's up? This is Mohammed Ghazi. Welcome to my channel and thank you for watching this video. In this video, we will create a business card by Adobe Photoshop. It's okay if created by Illustrator, but I prefer to create this with a Photoshop. Here you can see that the business card I've created already with the elements for the logo and the design identity overall for it. So for the last video, we are creating a logo for Mohammed Studio, and now he asked it for a new business card for it. So we will create it. There is a front and back for this business card, so we're going to start with it. We have a lot of shortcuts, so we can just hit a Control-N or just go into File and just hit New. About a centimeter, this is the size, what I like or what I prefer. And this is a standard for business cards. Please make sure it's 300 resolution as well. The color mode is CMYK. This is the best one because you're creating a business card for printing it out to the client. All right, we have created now the screen, so let's start. Alright, hold on here. You should know about the spaces and sides of the business card. Like now, we will add a guide for height, width, and make sure it's centered well. So now we have 4 sides, so we can use it in a professional way. Very well. Now we should know more about the fonts and size. We should make it readable. So we'll make it 12. And then, if you're going to select the Zoom tool by pressing Z in the keyboard, then right-click and select the printing size or print size. So it will give you the actually size after printing, how it looks like when it print out and you have it in your hand in a physically. So you're going to see which font is readable and which font is unreadable. Okay, now we've finished the design for a front side. So let's see the print size zoom and check how it looks like. Okay, it looks good. So let's start create the back side of the card. Alright guys, we've finished designing this business card. If there is any question, please feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification. Also, if you see this video helped a lot, please like the video and share it.